Welcome to Inspiration App. The goal of this tattoo app is to provide tattoo inspiration for the people who are willing to get a tattoo. The app displays a huge variety of tattoo designs and gives an option to its users to book an appointment with one of the best tattoo artists in their area. So let's get started. So this is the first screen of the app, and we have an option here to register or to log in case we are returning users. Also, there is an option for tattoo artists to join this app in order to present their work and services. As a first-time users, we're going to choose Sign Up button. And here on this pop-up screen, we have several options for signing in through Facebook, Google, or email. We are going to choose email, continue with email. And here on another pop-up screen, we can put our personal information in text boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and put my email address and my password. Perfect. And I'll submit it. And here is a homepage screen for this app. And this is a tattoo exploration screen by default here. Users can scroll down and search for their perfect tattoo design. But instead of scrolling endlessly down, I want to make my search more specific, which is why I'm going to click on Filter button. And here, Tattoo Filter page allows us to apply filters such as style, size, and color, and make our search more specific and personalized to our own needs. So I'll go ahead and choose style, which is neo, extra small size, and color black. So now my search is more specific, but still I know exactly what kind of tattoo I want to get and what kind of design I'm looking for. So I'll go ahead and click on search button, and here I can type down what's the name of tattoo I'm looking for. So here I'm looking for the wave, and that's exactly what I want. So in order to save it on my profile, I just need to click like button, and then it transfers me automatically to this pop-up screen where I have an option to create a new board or to add to this folders here, which is my favorite on minimalistic board. But I'll go ahead and create my own new board here. I'll just click on plus sign. And here I put in the name of the new board, which is Future Tattoos, and it's created and saved. Now, in order to check whether this new board is saved on my profile, I'm going to go ahead and click on my profile and see that it's right here, my Future Tattoo board, along with minimalistic and my favorite boards. Okay, perfect. So now I go back to home page, and I can again look at some other tattoos which I like. But for now, I want to choose a perfect tattoo artist who can create this tattoo for me. So I'll go to artist page. And here are all the artists presented, which are not far from my area. And in order to make my search more specific and look at what are they specializing at, I can go to filter button here and see that, like, for example, I'm interested in a tattoo artist whose style is classic, whose price range is from $50 to $150, and whose experience is from 1 to 5 years. Okay, done. And it also offers to use a location to make it even more specific for me. Okay, so since the search is more specific now, I'm choosing Anna, the first one, and I can thoroughly look through her profile page. It offers me her bio, her styles, the review, and you can look at her portfolio as well. So I feel like I'm really interested in her, and I do want to get in contact with her. So here at the very bottom, you can see that there is a message artist option. So I'll just click on that. And here I can type to her my special requests and my questions which I have to her. So I'm just going to go and do that. Okay. So, hi Anna, I'm fascinated by your work. Was wondering if you could let me know if you have any time slots for my tattoo. Thanks. And I'll send it. So these are all the features I wanted to present of my Inspiration app. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.